Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to recharge the AC in your Honda Fit. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Next, gather your essential tools, an AC recharge kit, a thermometer, and a clean rag. Finally, locate the low-pressure service port, typically marked with an L, on your vehicle's AC line under the hood. This preparation ensures a safe and effective recharge process. Now, let's connect the gauge. Firmly attach the Quick Connect fitting from your recharge kit to the low-pressure service port you just located. Ensure it clicks securely into place. Once connected, the gauge will display your AC system's current pressure. A reading below the recommended range, often indicated on the gauge itself, confirms that your system needs more refrigerant to cool effectively. With the engine running and your AC set to maximum cold, it's time to add refrigerant. Connect the refrigerant can to the gauge hose. Hold the can upright and slowly squeeze the trigger, adding refrigerant in short bursts of about 10 to 15 seconds. Gently shake the can as you add. Continuously monitor the gauge, aiming for the recommended pressure range, usually between 25 and 45 psi on the low side. Once the gauge shows the correct pressure, disconnect the Quick Connect fitting from the low-pressure port and replace its cap. Take a moment to check for any refrigerant leaks around the port. Now, step back and enjoy the cool, comfortable air flowing from your Honda Fit's AC system. Also, for some great deals and to learn more about bringing your space to life with smart speakers, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.